Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram can't be displayed. So let's begin. So here we are, and we are not going to open our Telegram app here in our phone. What we're going to do is we are going to go into our browser. So if you have problems here with that Telegram app, then you want to go into your browser right here, and you want to go here into web.telegram.org. It's important that you incorporate web into that, not just telegram.org, or else it won't work. You will be redirected to a different page. So you want to go web.telegram.org, make sure that it is correct. And from there, you want to log into your Telegram account so that you would be logged in here. And the next thing is you want to tap on the three horizontal bars on the top left of our screen right here, and you want to tap on settings right here. And from here, what you want to do is simply go into privacy and security right here, and from here you want to go down until you see sensitive content. What you want to do is you want to make sure that it is disabled right here, so make sure that you tick this box right there so that it won't filter any content, and that may be the reason that some content can't be displayed or the whole Telegram itself. So once you have made sure of that, then your problem should be solved. And that's basically it for this video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.